What's going on, dudes? It's Bavon. Welcome back to another video. We are reacting to Rogue Wave, France, and CO. I thought COLAPS and River was from France. I don't know why it's France and CO. I don't know is Colombia? I don't remember. I just know them as France, from France, Rogue Wave. They were the champions of not last year's, but champion of 2021's tag team. So let's see what their elimination is. I've heard a lot of people say that it is clean. So we're gonna look at this. We're gonna see for ourselves.
Let's begin.
Hit him with the glitch.
Ooh la la!
Ooh la la!
Ooh la la!
Ooh la la!
Ooh la 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 la!
Ooh la 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 la!
Coming to the stage right here, live and direct, it is my pleasure to introduce to you Rogue Wave!
Let's begin.
Hit him with the glitch.
He only says France.
We got COLAPS. We got River.
Yes. Power
we got
duo.
that French power with that Colombian flavor.
Oh, really? Wow.
One more time. Tokyo, y'all ready?
Jumbi desu ka?
Jumbi desu ka?
Rogue Wave, it's on you. You already know what to do. Let's see what's poppin'. I say the trois, you say the crowd in trois.
Beatbox!
I'm expecting absolute cleanliness. Oh my god.
GBB, are you ready? GBB, are you ready? I said, GBB, are you ready? You can't blame me, not get this. Check this.
Yes.
You can't blame me, not get this. GBB! Now get this.
Oh yeah, let's go. Oh my god, dude. Oh Jesus. Hallam. Ish. Yeah, bye. Oh my god, the little pitch snares by River. Ooh. Oh, that was close.
Now get this.
Yo, that's a full elimination right there. There's like no cuts. That's a track. That's a track. That's a track.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Of course.
What's up everyone, we are Rogue Wave. Thank you so much for watching our videos at the GBB.
You can follow us on our social medias. I go by the name of River BBX on Instagram.
And I'm COLAPS BBX. See you soon.
I like how they can just do that without even doing any. It's just ingrained in their mind. It's just ingrained in their mind that they can just do that, which is like, that's crazy. Okay, so that was pretty good. I would say, I mean, of course, what the hell? That was really, really freaking good. No mistakes whatsoever. Sure, some pitch problems, but again, these things would make sense because they're on stage, so you can get away with them. River, the only part that I kind of find strange is River's vibration bass that didn't sound as good, but I guess it was just there. Probably the only mistake they made in this elimination was that vibration bass that wasn't that clean. Maybe he should have what do you call this? He maybe should have warmed it up better backstage. But I mean, that's just on me because I need to warm up my vibration bass for like 30 minutes until I can like do it every now and I can do it cleanly, I guess. So I can smell food upstairs, huh? So that has been Rogue Wave. That's pretty good. That was really, really, really good. I would say that's gonna get in. I mean, with anything with there's, for me, again, there's no wow factor, but it did keep the crowd engaged. It was if there was a line, it would be just if there was a line, there'd be just a steady line, and they never went up, never went down. Actually, there would be a line, and it was only ups and no downs, except that vibration bass part. No downs, only ups, and it was consistent cleanliness. It is a tag team consisting of the champion of last year, the champion of 2021, a GBB, and the vice champion of 2021 GBB came together, and they're gonna make the absolutely most awesome, scary team to go against in GBB 2023 Tag Team Elimination. I would be very, very pooping my pants if I were to go against them. So that has been I think the final. I think that's all of the eliminations, I think. So yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please like that, be greatly appreciated. Hey, if you are new to the channel, hit subscribe. You can unsubscribe when you want. I just noticed as well that not all my videos are going through still. I think. So you might be seeing some, you might be seeing all of them. I know that you're just only seeing like, know that there's three reactions I uploaded and they're not in order. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please like that, be greatly appreciated. Hey, if you are new to the channel, hit subscribe. You can unsubscribe when you want. It is totally free. I was gonna upload a video on. I was gonna do a Florida beatbox battle wildcard, but I'm very, very sick. Every time there's an opportunity to make a wild card, I am sick, and there's something that comes up. My throat hurts so much right now. That's why I can't do a lot of good beatboxing. I'm mustering up all the strength to get these reactions out because I'm still very sick. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and hopefully the battles. Goodbye and see you later.